The United Kingdom is getting serious about beaming solar power from space and thinks it could have a demonstrator in orbit by 2035. Over 50 British technology organisations, including heavyweights such as aerospace manufacturer Airbus, Cambridge University and satellite maker SSTL, have joined the UK Space Energy Initiative, which launched last year in a quest to explore options for developing a space-based solar power plant. The initiative believes that beaming electricity from space using the sun could help the UK meet its target of zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050 more cost-effectively than many existing technologies. The requirement to stop carbon emissions entirely by mid-century is part of global efforts to halt progressing climate change outlined at the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change 26 summit that took place in Glasgow in November 2021. The initiative has established a 12-year development plan that could see a demonstrator power plant, assembled by robots in orbit, beam gigawatts of power from space to Earth as early as 2035. The plan has gathered support in the UK government as well as among energy experts,